Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to add the Google account onto your TCL phone. Let's begin. And we can begin with simply opening our settings. Then you want to scroll all the way down, and now you have two options. You can go to Accounts, Add Account, and Add a Google account, or alternatively, you can go to Google and sign in. It's completely up to you what will you do. I do think that going from here to from Google takes you less clicks, but it doesn't really matter, so you know. Anyway, now after we had confirmed that it is indeed we that want to gain access to our phone, by inputting our screen lock, we can input our email or phone number in order to sign in to our Google account. A little fun fact, you do not have to manually type in the gmail.com since Google can put it out automatically. It's a pretty nice feature and very cool way for you to have a nice, convenient life hack. Anyway, we now have to input our password. And after we have done that, we can simply hit next. And, ooh no, it appears that the password is wrong. Let me simply try again. And nice! As you can see, nothing really bad happens when you input your wrong password. The only thing that starts happening is after you have done your fifth attempt or third, I'm not entirely sure. But this way you can basically lock your account, so be careful with that. Anyway, now we have the ability to set up the parental controls, but I am not going to do that. If you want to know how to set up parental controls, you can simply look up our tutorial on that specific topic. Anyway, now we had to agree to terms of service, play terms of service and privacy policy. So basically we are selling our soul to the Google executives. And after a moment we will be able to enable one very important Google service, which being backup device data. I would strongly advise you to keep that setting on and then hit accept, because you will never know when something unfortunate happens. Maybe you will lose your phone, maybe you will break your phone, maybe it will freeze to death, who knows? And having a backup is a really nice way to just know that your data is safe no matter what will happen. Anyway, as you can see, our Google account is now added, and if you would go to anything Google related, we would be automatically logged into that Google account. Oh my god, why this looks so poor. Anyway, I want to show you that you can simply automatically be logged into that Google account. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.